Today we're talking about colour schemes, which is my favourite thing to discuss. I think that one of my most popular videos on this channel still is one of the really early ones about how to devise your wedding colour scheme, which you can check out in the iCard somewhere above me. But today I wanted to give you my number one tip, my number one favourite place to find unique colour schemes is your wardrobe. Your wardrobe is full of really cool patterns and colours and cool stuff that you already like. So it's an entire inspiration bank of potential colour schemes for your wedding too. Let's see what we have here. Let's start with the hat because it's really very classic in a way. Like I'm feeling ivory, the darker mauvey tones of purple that you can see. There's some lilac in there. It's a really lovely simple colour scheme, and I'll show you on the screen how this can be translated into a wedding. So this is a really lovely one. Something really edgy and modern is this. I love this dress. You will see me wear it at some point. So this is really edgy with the black and the white and greens. It's a really nice colour scheme. It's very classy, very edgy, very modern. Would suit kind of like would suit a really city wedding. Maybe you can have like a metallic in there as well, like copper or gold, to really accent those colours. I think it would be very pretty. Blue and ivory scheme here. This is just two tones, but I think that they're really pretty. Very Portuguese inspired even. You could do a lot with this colour scheme, and this particular shade of blue isn't too light, it isn't too dark, it's got a lot of potential going for it. And you can even steal the actual patterning for your stationery, or look at this central band pattern, this one above the elephants. That would be so pretty all the way around your stationery. Super nice. So as I said, it's a great source of inspiration because at the moment you can't leave your house, so this is a great bank of inspiration right here. Also, you can find some really unique combinations and patterns like the one that I'm wearing, and all of these really. And also, these are things that you already like. You wear them, your partner sees you wearing them. So I think that a good exercise for you to do if you're looking for unique wedding colour schemes is go diving into your wardrobe, pick out together patterns and colours that jump out at you and see what you can create, see what is possible there. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's really short and sweet. I had a lot of fun filming it. Please follow us on Instagram. That's where you'll find the schedule for all of our upcoming videos so you don't miss a beat. Also subscribe if you feel like it. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.